Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to talk about gummy smiles. So, a lot of times you'll see people after orthodontics, or sometimes it just naturally happens, where you get something called altered passive eruption. So, what that is, in layman's terms, it's a gummy smile. So, you see a lot of people coming in like this, and there's certain ways that you can actually manage it. One of the better ways is doing something called crown lengthening, or in this case, aesthetic crown lengthening, where we're able to remove the excess gum around this person's teeth, so that way instead of having those short peg teeth, they can get natural shaped teeth, natural length of those teeth. And this is what he looked like after the fact. So you can see those teeth look absolutely fantastic. They look really, really nice after. But we had to do some work to get him there. So if you or somebody you know has a gummy smile, give us a call. We can get you in and we could definitely take a look and see if we can help you out too. So thank you very much.